Did you know that there are some bizarre facts about our world that sound too crazy to be true? Today, we're diving into the top 10 weirdest facts about the world. Fact number 10, the Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer. The Eiffel Tower actually grows taller in the summer? It's because of a process called thermal expansion. The tower is made of iron, which expands when it gets hot. On warm days, the iron molecules spread out, causing the entire structure to grow by up to 6 inches. In cooler weather, the metal contracts, and the tower shrinks back to its usual height. So, the Eiffel Tower's height can actually change depending on the temperature. Pretty cool, right? Fact number 9, bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Did you know that bananas are actually berries, but strawberries aren't? It's all about how they're classified botanically. A berry is defined as a fruit that develops from a single flower's ovary and has seeds inside. Bananas fit that rule perfectly because they develop from one flower and have tiny seeds inside. On the other hand, strawberries don't meet the definition of a berry because their seeds are on the outside, not inside the flesh. So, even though we think of them as berries, strawberries aren't technically berries, while bananas are. Fact number 8, there's a species of jellyfish that is immortal. Did you know there's a species of jellyfish that's technically immortal? It's called Turritopsis tournii, or the immortal jellyfish. When it gets injured or sick, instead of dying, it can revert to its juvenile form and start its life cycle over again. This ability to reset itself means it can theoretically live forever, making it the only known creature capable of biological immortality. Fact number 7, wombat poop is cube-shaped. Did you know wombat poop is cube-shaped? It's because wombats have a really unique digestive system. Their intestines are incredibly long and flexible, which allows them to absorb more water and nutrients. The last part of their intestine has different sections with varying levels of elasticity, which shapes the poop into cubes. This helps prevent it from rolling away, so they can mark their territory effectively. Fact number 6, the shortest war in history lasted 38 to 45 minutes. Did you know the shortest war in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes? It happened in 1896 between Britain and Zanzibar. The war broke out when the Sultan of Zanzibar refused to step down after British demands. The British launched an attack, and within less than an hour, the Sultan's forces were defeated. It's a war that's so short, it's almost hard to believe. Fact number 5, honey never spoils. Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found honey in ancient tombs, and it was still safe to eat. Honey's low moisture content and natural acidity create an environment where bacteria and microorganisms can't grow. This makes honey one of the few foods that can last indefinitely without spoiling. Fact number 4, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Here's a mind-blower, a day on Venus is longer than its year. It takes Venus about 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation, making a day there longer than the 225 days it takes to orbit the Sun. So, Venus actually has a longer day than year. How wild is that? Fact number 3, octopuses have 3 hearts. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? 2 hearts pump blood to their gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of their body. What's even crazier is that when an octopus swims, the heart that delivers blood to the body stops beating, which is why they prefer crawling instead of swimming. It's less tiring. Fact number 2, sharks are older than trees. Did you know sharks are older than trees? Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, while trees only appeared about 350 million years ago. So, sharks have been swimming in the oceans long before trees ever existed on land. Fact number 1, there's a door to hell in Turkmenistan. Did you know there's a fiery pit called the Door to Hell in Turkmenistan? It's a natural gas field that collapsed in 1971, and scientists set it on fire to prevent the spread of methane. It's been burning ever since, creating a massive, glowing crater that's been ablaze for decades. Thank you for watching. Kindly hit the subscribe button and like the video. See you next time. Bye.